Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're stuck with a small leftover balance on your Apple ID and can't make purchases or change your region, this video is for you. So guys, firstly, to get rid of that balance, you need to do such steps. Open the app store on your iPhone or iPad, tap your profile in the top right corner, scroll down and you'll see your Apple ID balance. If it shows something like $0.03 or 152, that's what's left, and Apple won't let you change regions or remove your payments info until it's gone. So if you have more than the cost of a app, just buy something cheap like a 99-cent app or a small in-game item, few cents, and you can't afford anything with it, do this. Firstly, add a payments method like PayPal or credit card. Try to buy something more expensive than your balance. Apple will automatically use your balance first, then charge the rest to your payments method. This is the easiest way to get rid of leftover charge. And if this did not work, you can contact their support so that they remove that balance for you. And that's how you remove credit from your Apple ID in this year. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and check the video description for Apple support links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.